Hey guys, what I want to show you today is how to show and hide formatting in Microsoft Word 2016. It's a pretty simple task here, and it can be quite useful, especially if you're trying to troubleshoot a document. Maybe something's going wrong, something's spaced weird, something's going on that just doesn't seem quite right. It's a great tool to use to figure out what's going on. So on this page, for instance, we have this, which is centered. That won't have any formatting marks. We have this here, which is not centered, but it's not against the end, and we have this here. It's pretty simple, and then for some reason we have a second page. So we're going to turn on formatting, click on the home at the top ribbon here, and it's this little symbol here. It's show, hide paragraph marks and other hidden formatting symbols. Click on that. Alright, now we can see what's going on. So we have a page break here. That's why the second page is in. So let's get rid of that. Backspace out of that. And then here, this is your tab symbol. That's your, it's your basic indent for a paragraph. Basically, if you hit tab, that's the symbol you get. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of that. These dots are spaces. Get rid of those. You can see them in between the words here, and each one of these is a paragraph, so basically you hit enter or return, it creates those. So it can be quite useful when you're actually trying to troubleshoot something that's going wrong in your document. We really do these videos for you guys, so if you like it, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment below, let us know what you like, let us know what you don't like, and let us know what videos you think we should do next. Thanks guys.